talk about the story that we've been following for a couple of weeks now, and a man, I should say, a man that we celebrated, we remembered here on WCNC Charlotte. We're talking about the renowned civil rights attorney James Ferguson II. He died back on July 21st at the age of 82. And he's worn so many hats in his lifetime. You see him right there on your screen. Pioneering lawyer, mentor, and social justice advocate, fighting for decades for equality, and has left a huge impact in North Carolina and beyond. Again, he passed away on July 21st. There was a celebration of life today, so the community can honor Mr. Ferguson. WCNC Charlotte's Miles Harris was there at the celebration of life. He's checking in with us. So, Miles, you were there. What was the mood? What was the tone? And what was said inside to honor Mr. Ferguson?
Yeah, Nick, we're actually outside of Club Nile, where another public open memorial service is set to take place around 4 o'clock today. But we did get a chance to talk to some of the people outside of the funeral service that was taking place at the Park Church, which was really like 5 or 10 minutes away from here. But really just a mix of emotions from a lot of people out there, obviously wanting to honor and celebrate the life and legacy of James Ferguson II, but also just getting a chance to hear from people talk about how he impacted their life, whether directly or indirectly. Just like you said, he had wore so many hats during his time here, especially not just in Charlotte, but throughout North Carolina. And I really can recall a time we got a chance to talk to one of the judges out there, Judge Aretha Blake, who was talking about the impact that she saw and witnessed him make inside the courtrooms, but also his impact that's being made even for future generations. She has a daughter that's getting ready to start college next week, but mentions that, that might not have happened or would look differently had it not been for the work and dedication that James Ferguson had made when it came to whether desegregating those schools at CMS back in the day, or even talking about just any of his other trials or runs or practices that he had done in the courtroom and even in our community. Truly a difference maker, and we are just really getting a chance to really tell the stories and impacts that he has made in our community, Nick.
Yeah, a big impact here on the Charlotte community, Miles. And you can catch Miles at 4 and 6 o'clock with more on this celebration of life of Mr. James Ferguson, again, a pioneer here in our area. Miles, thank you for your time, man. All right, so that is Miles Harris. You can catch him again at 4 and 6 o'clock with more from how the Charlotte community is honoring the life of James Ferguson.